The Resources In tab is where you can find the list of resources that interest you. For example, if you are interested in acquiring plastic bag and you send an offer to the seller, you will see that listing here. You can check the title, resource type, status, resource ID, number of views, number of offers, and number of transactions. Under the Actions tab, you can view the resource, check notifications, or close the transaction. You can also click here to check your past transactions. To find a specific resource listing, simply go to the search bar and enter the resource name or resource ID. Below the status, you will see Sold, Available Now, and Finished. Sold means the transaction was successful. Available means that the listing is still active on the marketplace. And Finished indicates that the listing has expired without a transaction. If you click on the plus icon here, you will see the details of the seller and more details about the transaction.